Hey my tinies, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya and I go by Makeup by Tiny T because I am really tiny. I am 4'10" and on my good days I am 4'11", so yeah, I'm super tiny. But anyways, today's look is gonna be this cotton candy inspired look. And I actually used two palettes, and you guys know how much I rave about Midas cosmetics. Well, yes, I know. I am like so annoying talking about this palette or talking about Midas cosmetics, but this is my brand, guys. This brand is so amazing. I really do recommend you guys checking it out. And today's palette, we are gonna be using La Dulce Vida. Oh my gosh, está bien hermoso. Like, this palette is una hermosura. Like, you guys need to get this palette. Like, look at this. Look at it. Now, the shades that I used was Miguelito and Bubbloo. So Miguelito and Bubbloo are the two shades that I used, and I really do recommend this one, guys. I actually really like this one. You see how it has like a little bit of like sparkles? But yeah, anyways, I used this palette and Enchanted by Ducle, and so this is another very pretty palette, but you guys see it, and this glowing star is the shade that I used for down here. But yeah, as you guys know, I normally don't like to use different palettes in my videos. I like to stick to one palette just because I know that if you guys purchase that one palette, you guys can recreate the look that I do. But today I actually decided to use both of these palettes, and yes, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. And with that being said, how about we just get right into this video? Alright guys, so the first thing that you want to do is you guys want to just take some of the product and pack it on just like this. Of course you're going to have like some patchiness, but that's okay because that's why we are packing it on before. Now we're gonna go in circular and windshield wipers motion just to blend out that product. Just like that. As you can see, it's blended out. You can see that it's a little bit darker over here, but that's alright. If you want to add some more color or add some more like pigmented to it, then just keep on packing it until you get it to your liking. just like that. We're just gonna go in the outer end just to get that nice blend. We do not want it to look so harsh, but we just want that nice, beautiful blend. Just like that. As you can see, it's a lot cleaner, it's a lot better after you go back in with a nice clean brush. Doesn't matter what brush you guys use, as long as it's a clean brush. That way you guys can get that nice blend. Now we are actually gonna go with a baby wipe, or you guys can also, I don't really like makeup remover wipes, so I use baby wipes because, you know, they're soft on the baby's butt. So yeah, why not? So we're just gonna close our eyes and we're just gonna trace right along our eyelid. As you can see, we're just gonna do that. Now we want to take it right above our eyelid, that way we can get like this line right there. So we're gonna take it a little bit above our eyelid. And we will be going back in with concealer just to perfect it a little bit, because this is not gonna be perfect. We just want to get like that rough surface on it. So there you go. Now, it's not perfect like I said, but that's okay, just because we are going to be going back in with concealer. It's actually this Wet n Wild that I just got, and it is in the shade right over here. It's in the shade Fair Neutral. Flat round brush. No, I actually got this from Shop Miss Say, which was a while back, and now they don't have it anymore, but I still use it because this is amazing. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some of the product onto this brush, end of the brush, like so. And now we're just gonna carve. Alright, so just like that, guys. And now we are going to be taking Bababula right here. This pink right here. And it's okay if it transfer, guys. We can take it right above. just like that. So if it transfers, that's okay, because we're gonna go back in with concealer and we can just fix it up. So we're gonna take this like really small detailed brush and we're just gonna pack on the product on there. Use patting motion so you can get more for your pigmentation. Just like that. Now we're going to take concealer, same concealer again, and we're going to use the same brush, but we're going to clean up this right here. We're actually going to go back in with this first, just to clean it up.
Madness.
Now it doesn't have to necessarily be perfect because we're going to go back in with concealer as well. So we're going to do the same thing that we did with the first one. So just like that, guys, and do not look up because then you'll have transfer the concealer up above. But we're going to be using this Dose of Color Enchanted, and we're going to be using Glowing Star right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we will be using this shade right here. Look how pretty this shade is, guys. It's just so amazingly beautiful. But there we go. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how beautiful this shade is. Right up. Whatever. There you go. Can you guys see it? It's